In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your contacts to your Google account. This process is essential if you want to ensure that your important contact information is backed up and accessible from any device. Let's dive right in and break it down step by step so you can follow along without a hitch. First, to get started, you'll need to access your Google account. Open your web browser of choice and navigate to the Google homepage. From there, make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to log in. Having access to your account is crucial because it's where you'll be uploading your contacts for safekeeping. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see a grid icon. That's the Google Apps button. Click on it and scroll through until you find the Contacts option. This is where you'll manage and upload your contact list. Click on Contacts to open up the Google Contacts interface, which is where the magic happens. Now that you're in Google Contacts, what you want to do is locate the Import option. You'll find it on the left sidebar, a bit down from the top. Once you click on Import, you'll be prompted to select a CSV or vCard file. Before clicking, make sure you've prepared a CSV or vCard file with all your contacts. If you're unsure how to create one, typically, your phone or another contact management app has an export feature that lets you save your contacts as a CSV or vCard file. After selecting your file, hit Import. Google will then take over the heavy lifting, uploading all the contacts from your selected file. This might take a moment depending on how many contacts you have, so be patient. Once the process is complete, you'll see a list of your contacts populated within Google Contacts, meaning everything was uploaded successfully. To ensure everything has gone according to plan, take a moment to double-check a few of your contacts. Make sure details such as phone numbers and email addresses are correctly displayed. If anything seems amiss, you can always manually edit or correct details directly within Google Contacts. Now that your contacts are safely uploaded, they are automatically synced with your Google account. This means they'll be accessible from any device where you can log into your account. It also provides peace of mind that, in case you lose your phone or switch devices, your contact list remains intact. That wraps up our process for uploading contacts to a Google account. By following these steps, you ensure a seamless transition of your contacts to Google's cloud, allowing for easy access and management. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!